around 30%, which is what Polymarket seems to predict. The Clarity Act is at the deciding factor. The Genius Act is decisive. But whether the Clarity Act is decisive, well, the Clarity Act is essentially about regulation, and it's about making those regulations clearer. And just because the Clarity Act doesn't pass, does that mean everything currently happening stops? No, not really. It's more like it has an anchoring effect. I think everyone is focused on the Creators Act, so they feel the Creators Act will be yes, that the Creators Act will be a major turning point, and that it will have a trickle-down effect, so to speak. It's because of some kind of anchoring effect people are experiencing. I don't personally think the Creators Act itself is that critical, but especially when it comes to Bitcoin. Actually, there's almost no connection. There might be a bit affected. So because either is affected, people think that overall crypto will do well. That's the prediction, I guess. But just because the creative legislation doesn't pass, it doesn't mean banks won't do something, or that financial firms will stop what they are currently doing. That's already been happening since Trump's election. Due to various signals being sent by the US government, the message has become clear. So unlike under the Biden administration, it's not a situation where big tech companies are walking on eggshells anymore. That's why I believe that if the Creative Act passes due to the trickle-down effect, it will definitely have a very positive impact on prices. But just because the Creative Act is lagging doesn't mean that those who are already moving forward will be stopped. No, that's what I'm thinking. But it's not that my opinion is what matters, but people with Bitcoin ETFs. It was always like that. Bitcoin ETFs have since 2014 continuously acted as an anchor. So, the Bitcoin ETF, because of the expectation that it would be approved, it went up steadily, and if it was rejected, it would drop sharply, then go back up, then drop again when rejected, and then that. After repeating this for about 7 years, now in 2024, it finally happened, and the chapter has changed.